Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipnewski of Eclectic Skin Prescriptions, and thank you for joining me today. So a few days ago, we did a video regarding acne, stubborn and persistent acne that you really just can't get rid of, and how that's mainly due towards a hormonal imbalance. Well, today we're going to be talking about your everyday run-of-the-mill acne and how our acne kit is absolutely amazing for that. And that's coming right up. Okay, so acne occurs when the pore is clogged. So it's either clogged with dirt, dead cell debris, bacteria, or oil, more specifically sebum, and that is the oil that the sebaceous gland creates, and that's what lubricates our skin. So the best thing that we can do for acne is to make sure that we're exfoliating away these particulates that clog the pore. So absolute key ingredient to managing acne is exfoliation. So how can we exfoliate? We should be using products that contain acids, whether it be retinol, glycolic acid, or salicylic acid. These products are all amazing for your acne, but they're also great for your skin because it'll slough away that dead cell debris, bringing forth healthy and vibrant new cells. Also about dead cell debris, that does nothing but accumulate on the surface of your face, and it accentuates your fine lines and wrinkles, so they've got to go. So sometimes acne sufferers can be under a few false impressions. And one is that, if I use a toner or an astringent several times throughout the day, I basically can dehydrate and dry out that acne and get rid of it. The problem is your skin has good bacteria. So you think you're killing the bad bacteria and pulling out oils, but you're also killing the good bacteria. And that will keep a great pH balance in your skin. So by over exfoliating your face with toner or astringents, what you're actually doing is causing your skin to produce excess oil. So before we go ahead and jump into the acne kit, I would like to give you a few helpful tips. Tip number 1. Don't touch your face. So there's nothing I hate more. Well, there's probably things I hate more, but this is awful. When people are talking to me and they're telling me how awful their acne is and they just can't seem to get rid of it, and they're constantly touching their face, it drives me nuts. Your hands are loaded with germs and dirt and bacteria, and now you're touching your already infected face, and this is just going to exacerbate your acne and keep your face infected and red and inflamed. So don't touch your face. Tip number 2, make sure that you regularly change out your pillowcase. So the material of your pillowcase can soak up the oils from your face and even your hair, especially if you're using a very strong oily conditioner. And God knows your cat is probably parking its dirty butt there while you're at work all day. So make sure that you change it out at least once a week. This way you have a nice, fresh, clean place to lay your pretty little head. Tip number 3, don't pick your face. Leave that to the professionals. They have the right tools. They have sterile tools. Okay? You don't have tools. You have friends who want you to pop your own pimple with your fingers so that they can record it and put it on YouTube and get hits. Don't pick your face. Tip number 4. And it goes without saying, but it's tip number 4, so I'll say it out loud. Please wash off your makeup before you go to sleep. Yes, it really does make a difference. So when you sleep, this is when your body goes through its healing process. It's rebooting, it's doing all kinds of things. You really don't want just a layer of gunk on there. It does make a difference, so please, wash your face. Okay, so speaking of washing the face, let's jump into the kit. So our acne kit is absolutely amazing for acne, and I promise if you're using it on a daily basis and consistently and as directed, this really is going to clear away your acne. So it consists of 6 full-size products. Stop. I can already hear you through the camera. 6 oh my gosh, that's too many steps. I don't want to do, oh my God, 6? I see kits with 2 and 3. 6, that's too many. Listen to me, okay? You have real problems. You have acne. You need things. You can't just have 1 or 2 products that's really going to take care of your acne. You need all of these steps to heal your acne in a healthy way and to leave your skin flawless and beautiful. And besides, you're not going to be using all 6 products every single application. You're going to do 3, maybe 4, and believe you me, it goes by super fast. Okay, so product number 1 is our Nourishing Beta Cleanser. This cleanser is absolutely amazing. It contains salicylic acid, and that is going to clear away the dead cell debris that's clogging your pores, that's causing your acne. It's going to leave your skin smooth and supple, and there's other ingredients in there too, like copper and all of these great things that are going to soften and heal your skin. Another great thing to do with the cleanser is to use it while you're in the shower, and particularly if you have the dreaded backne. Now that's just acne on your back. So we recommend that you apply the product with a washcloth, but it's absolutely imperative that you use a fresh washcloth every single time you get in the shower. I know you think your shower is clean, I'm sure it is, but as we speak, that washcloth that's been hanging in your shower for a few days is growing bacteria as we speak. So every time you get into the shower, get yourself a nice fresh washcloth. Okay, so the next product is our A and B Cooling Toner, and this contains both glycolic and salicylic acids. So this is just going to purge everything from deep within your pore, stripping away that dead cell debris. It's going to leave your face absolutely smooth and glowing and just beautiful. Okay, so the next product in the acne kit is the oil-free moisture smoother. And as I said before, it's so important that you're using a moisturizer. I know some of you might think, I have acne and it's a little oily. Why would I want to layer on a moisturizer? This is so important to level out the pH of your skin. You don't want to dehydrate your skin. You want your skin to be healthy. You don't want it too dry. You don't want it too oily. By applying a moisturizer every single day, in particular the oil-free moisture smoother, this is so wonderful. It's basically a first aid kit for your acne in one little bottle. So it has ingredients in there, peptides and antioxidants, and this is going to soften your skin and heal your skin. It's going to improve the tone and texture of your skin. Trust me, when you put this cream on, you'll see the difference. The next step is your Flawless Green Tea Sunblock SPF 30. Now you might be tempted to skip this step. Once again, you're thinking, geez, if I go out into the sun, get a little sun on my face, it'll dry out the acne, and I look better with a tan anyway. This is such a terrible thought, okay? No, you mustn't skip your sunblock. It is an absolute imperative step because you're using products that have acids in them, and this is going to photosensitize your face. That's going to make you more susceptible to the sun's damaging UVA and UVB rays, okay? And a lot of times, people are not using their sunblock and they're getting acne scarring. So you may notice in certain places on your face that you're skin might be a little hyperpigmented. And what that just means is areas that are uneven. Some places are darker than the other. This is acne scarring. This is because something has gone wrong in the healing process for you. So perhaps you picked, or perhaps you weren't wearing your sunblock. So absolutely apply the sunblock every single morning, at least 20 minutes before you leave your home. This way it has a chance to be absorbed and you're getting the true SPF that's on the label. So that was it. That was your daily AM regimen. And at night, you don't need to apply the sunblock. So that's 3 easy steps. Easy, but effective. So the other 2 products in the kit are specialty products. You're not going to use them on a daily basis. Like our A and B pore minimizer. This stuff is really great, but it's very, very strong. It contains both salicylic and glycolic acids. It's basically an at-home acid peel. As a matter of fact, when you're using this product, I recommend that you use a timer. This way you don't leave it on too long and burn yourself. I would recommend with starting off at 25 seconds, then as your skin becomes acclimated to that, you can increase it by, let's say, 10 seconds every week. But don't apply this product more than 2 times a week. This product is absolutely amazing, and you're going to see such dramatic results from it so quickly that you'll be tempted to use it every day, but don't. Twice a week is plenty enough. If you overuse this product, you're going to burn your face, and this is going to cause your skin to produce excess oil. So just twice a week. This is absolutely going to purge everything to the surface of your face. All that dirt and sebum and bacteria, it's going to bring it to the surface to get rid of it. This is going to leave your skin smooth and supple and vibrant and glowing and all of those wonderful adjectives that you want to hear when someone's talking about your skin. Okay, so the last product in our acne kit is the Spot Stop. And this is an acne spot treatment. This is something that you'd only want to apply to big acne eruptions. And when I say apply, I mean only apply it 3 to 4 times a day. No more than that. This stuff is very strong. It contains camphor, salicylic, and witch hazel. So a very, very strong brew. As a matter of fact, this product is so strong, it can actually be dangerous in the hands of a desperate person. Like my friend, week of her wedding, and that's another thing about acne, stress and anxiety can bring it out as well. She got a huge zit on her cheek week of her wedding. I gave her the Spot Stop. Didn't matter that I told her not to go crazy with that product. She overused it, and sure enough, she caused a burn where the pimple was. Fortunately, it was a few days before the wedding, so we were able to apply the oxygen boosting mask to where the burn was, and it did heal it up very nicely, but really, so sad because really should have come to that. And you know who you are. And that was it. That was our entire acne kit. 6 easy products, easy to follow steps. It's quick and effective. This is going to absolutely clear away your acne, but better yet, it's going to make your skin healthy. It's going to make it beautiful. It's going to get rid of the dead cell debris, which is going to reduce your wrinkles. And by the way, when dead cells sit on the surface of your face, they can actually sop up your cream before it has a chance to be absorbed. If you have any recommendations for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below, and we'll get to them just as soon as we can. I thank you for taking the time to listen to me. I'm Tammy, and I'll see you in the next video.